Hello children, welcome to English class. Hope all are fine and doing good. So my dear children, in previous class we have gone through worksheets. No children, worksheet 6 we completed. So today we focusing about 100 children from the textbook page number 100, unit 7. The title of this lesson is What's My Name? What's my name? Let us read this story, children. Once a fly was flying in the garden. Once a fly was flying in the garden. There were many plants with beautiful flowers in the garden. There were many plants with beautiful flowers in the garden. Garden is what, children? Garden means of plants with beautiful flowers. Garden, what we see in the garden, children? Beautiful, different colors of flowers we see in the garden. No, children? We all like garden very much. No? We see all the different types of plants, different colors of flowers. No, we see in the garden. Even I like garden so much, children. Okay? So there were many plants with beautiful flowers in the garden. The fly saw many flowers. The fly saw many flowers. Red, pink, yellow. Many flowers. The fly saw many flowers in the garden with different colors. See, red, pink, yellow, white, green, like that. Okay? Oh, they are very beautiful. What the flies see? They are very beautiful. Flowers are very beautiful. They look smooth and soft. No, children, even we also like to touch the flowers. No? They look smooth and soft. It said it was moving around the flowers and enjoying the smell. What the fly doing here? It is moving around the flowers and enjoying the fragrance of the flowers. A sunflower smiled at the fly and said, A sunflower smiled at the fly and said, Hi, how are you? What the sunflower said? The sunflower smiled and said to the fly. What the sunflower said? Hi, how are you? The fly was very happy and went near the sunflower. Sunflower smiled and asked, No, hi, how are you? The fly felt very happy and went near the sunflower. It asked, Can I touch you? What the fly was asking, Sunflower, Can I touch you? The flower smiled and said, The sunflower smiled and said, Why not, dear? Please sit on my petal. What the sunflower saying here? The sunflower smiled and said to the fly, Why not, dear? Please sit on my petal. Then the fly jumped in joy and sat on the sunflower. What the fly did? The moment the sunflower said to sit on my petal, what the fly did? Happily jumped and sat on the sunflower. What's your name? The sunflower asked. The sunflower asked to the fly, what's your name? The sunflower asked. The fly was silent for some time. The fly was silent. Why the fly was silent? See here. And said, oh my God, I forgot my name. The fly was silent. Why the fly was silent? Because it forgot his name. It was very sad. No? What the fly forgot his name. So the fly was silent because it forgot his name. Again, we read this to children. Once a fly was flying in the garden. There were many plants with beautiful flowers in the garden. The fly saw many flowers, red, pink, yellow, etc. Oh, they are very beautiful. They look smooth and soft, it said. It was moving around the flowers and enjoying the smell. Even we also like, no children, the beautiful smell. A flower smiled at the fly and said, hi, how are you? The fly was very happy and went near the sunflower. It asked, can I touch you? The flower smiled and said, why not, dear? Please sit on my petal. Then the fly jumped in joy and sat on the sunflower. What's your name? The sunflower asked. The fly was silent for some time and said, oh my God, I forgot my name. It was very sad. So now we'll go into the lesson, children. Okay? See here, Unit 7. Unit 7. Turn to Unit 7, children. Unit 7 page. The page number 73, children. Page number 73. So, children, observe this picture carefully. Look at the picture. What is that lesson name, children? Unit 7. What's my name? What is the title of this lesson? What's my name? Okay. Look at the picture and answer the questions given below. Observe this picture. Just now we read in the story, no children. See what you see in this picture, children. It is a beautiful garden with different colors of flowers. See, children, it is a beautiful garden. Different flowers. We can see rose, sunflower, and different flowers. Okay, it's very beautiful, no, children. Very beautiful garden, and also we see here fly. No, fly. The fly is enjoying the beauty of this garden here. No, and let us try to answer these questions. Okay, what do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? It is a picture of beautiful garden. Okay, what do you see in the picture? What we see in the picture, children? See a fly and a beautiful flowers. Different colors of flowers. It is a beautiful picture of a garden. Okay. Do you have garden in your place? Do you have gardens in your place? Yes, we all are having gardens, my children. We all have garden at home. No? Do you have gardens in your place? Yes, we have gardens in our place. We have a beautiful garden in our house and also we see in our school. No, children? Name any 5 flowers you know. Name any 5 flowers you know. Any 5 flowers, say children? Rose, sunflower, jasmine, hibiscus, marigold, lily, etc. Okay, now turn the page. Again, we see here the beautiful picture. Look at the following picture and answer the questions given below. Here in this picture, there is a conversation between a sunflower and a fly. Let us see, children. Here, see what the sunflower saying. Hi, friend. What is your name? What the sunflower is saying here? Hi, friend. What is your name? What the fly is saying here? My name? Oh my God, I forgot. What the fly is saying here? My name? Oh my God, I fly forgot. So, have you ever seen a sunflower? Yes, we have seen a sunflower. No? Have you ever seen a sunflower? Means yes, we have seen a sunflower. What is the sunflower and the fly talking about? What they are talking here? Then sunflower is asking fly, hi friend, what is your name? What the fly said? My name. Oh my God, I forgot. Fly forgot his name. What will the fly do to know its name? Now we are going to see, children, what the fly do. Why does the fly want to know its name? Why does the fly want to know his name? Because it forgot his name. Now we look into the lesson. What's my name? Listen carefully, children. It is a beautiful story. Okay. The fly went to an old woman. The fly went to an old woman. What's asked the fly. The fly whom it's asking. The fly is asking to an old woman. The fly went to an old woman. What's my name, Grandma? Asked the fly. Sorry, dear. I don't know. Go and ask my son. What the grandma said. Sorry, dear. I don't know. Ask my son. Go and ask my son. He is a potter. Potter means a person who makes pots. Okay. He might help you, said the woman. The fly asked the old woman, Grandma, what's my name? What the grandma said here? Sorry, dear, I don't know your name. Go and ask my son. He is a potter. He might help you. Means he may tell you your name, said the woman. Here, see here. The fly went to her son. The fly went to her son. Potter, Potter, please tell me my name, asked the fly. I'm very busy in making pots. Go and ask the barber, said the potter. What the potter said here? The fly came to, first the fly went to grandma. Grandma said, I don't know your name. Go and ask my son. He may help you. Again the fly came to son, grandma's son. He is a potter. What the fly asking here? Potter, Potter, please tell my name. So what the potter said? I am very busy in making pots. Please go and ask the barber. See here, the fly went to the barber. What the fly did? The fly went to the barber and said, sorry, Barber uncle, do you know my name? I'm busy in trimming. Please go to the tailor, said the barber. Fly asked, Barber uncle, do you know my name? What the barber said, I'm busy in trimming. Trimming means cutting hair. No, I'm busy in trimming. Please go to the tailor, said the barber. Again, what the fly did? The fly came to tailor. See here, the fly went to the tailor. Please tell me my name, asked the fly. The fly was asking the tailor. The fly went to the tailor. Please tell me my name, asked the fly. What the tailor said? See here, I'm busy in stitching. Go and ask the cobbler, said the tailor. What the tailor said here? The fly asked the tailor, Tailor, please tell me my name. The tailor said, I'm busy in stitching. Please go and ask the cobbler. The fly was worried. Why the fly was worried here? Because nobody is telling his name. All are busy in their work. No, children? She went to the cobbler. She went to the cobbler. The cobbler was making shoes. The fly said to him, Can you tell me my name? What my name is? Again, the fly asking the cobbler, Cobbler, can you tell me my name? What's my name? Go away, I'm busy, said the cobbler. What the cobbler said? Go away, I'm busy, said the cobbler. The fly was sad because nobody is saying his name. All are busy in their work. No children, that's why the fly is sad. So what the fly did next? See here, she was slowly flying. The fly was slowly flying. She saw Sidhu and some children playing in the park. The fly saw Sidhu and some children playing in the park. He saw the fly. Sidhu and children saw the fly and said, Hello fly, how are you? He asked. Sidhu asked here. Hello fly, how are you? He asked. Oh, my name is Fly. Then the fly got his name. No children? The fly got his name. At last the fly got his name. By whom he come to know his name? It come to know his name by Sidhu. No? Sidhu. What Sidhu said here? Sidhu and his Sidhu friends are playing in the park. When Sidhu saw a fly, what Sidhu said? Hello fly. How are you? He asked. Then the fly got his name. Oh, my name is Fly. She was very happy to know her name. The fly was so happy to know her name. I'm Fly. What a joy. Thank you, boy. It danced around the tree. I'm Fly. I'm Fly. What a joy. The fly was so happy, no? Thank you, boy. It danced around the tree. What the fly did? After knowing his name, the fly was so happy and it danced around the tree with joy. Children, very nice, beautiful, interesting story, no? Do you understand, children, this story? Hope you all understood this story, okay? So, by this we completed this story, children, okay? Next class, we'll see next pages, means bits are there, the textbook, no? Next class, we go through those bits, okay? Again, read the lesson properly, children, okay? Learn the spellings and read the lesson properly. Very interesting story, no? Okay, here we end this class. Take care, children. Be happy always. God bless you all. Thank you.